So one sunbed, €5.
That's really good, isn't it? Really good price.
Yeah, it's a really, really good price.
Yeah.
Cheaper than Zante.
Yeah.
Much cheaper than Zante.
You didn't do.
Water sports over there as well.
Should we go here?
Yeah, sure. Look in the monkey store.
She's speaking. She thinks she's got the mic on her. She ain't got a mic on her. Hello.
Hello.
Here's the mic.
So yeah, first time in Rhodes.
Yeah.
Comment below if you've been here, if this is like one of your favourite islands. I think this is the 4th biggest out of all of the Greek islands, and there's quite a lot, all varying in size. We usually go to Zante for Knikos.
So we normally go Zante, don't we? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Go try and find a bar which doesn't have music playing, so we can do a live stream for you guys. So this one won't be coming out for quite a while.
Nice little restaurant there.
A little bit more chilled out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I got water sports over there. Show you.
Looks like this comes to an end here, doesn't it? Oh, there's one more bar at the end.
Right, so we're just going to walk to this little end bit.
Yeah? We'll walk to the end bit. Sorry. I tried to put it on the film, just to film in it. Sea park price, so it's €15 for 1 hour, £30 for the day. It's quite good.
Okay.
€30 anyway. Hello. Sunbeds €15, €20 for 2. About the same prices.
That's a nice little farmer's area out in the beach.
Yeah, look at them.
Really nice.
Nice to be staying there. Nice little restaurant here. There's a lot of restaurants and that go straight out onto the beach. Scala. Daily cruises. Yeah, Sabrina. Sabrina's very quiet today, sorry.
Roasting.
I know, even if it's just drinking loads of water.
Yeah, it is. Very dry heat.
Got nicer beds here. Everyone chilling.
Yeah, a little bit hanging as well.
So bucket. Right, so we've got a lot of music on this one, so I have to talk over it, but yeah, really nice. Really nice on this one. But yeah. Make you feel better, as it says. I just stay in here as well. Look at that. And this on your doorstep. Very nice. Get yourself a massage as normal on the beach. I think you can hire these as well, which is quite cool. Yep, this is where you come to rent it. Looks like we're just going to keep walking forever. We didn't stop. We said we were going to stop, but not today. We're not stopping. Yeah, really clear. Don't know if it's shallow like in Zante. No, it's definitely not shallow like Zante. Let's walk to that blue bit. Go around there. See how far we can go. Again, apartments right on the beach. Wonder how much it costs to rent. So yeah, comment below if you've been to Rhodes before. We're in Faliraki at the moment. We'll be going to Rhodes Town, Rhodes Old Town. Do a few night videos around there. And then we're going to be in Marmaris over the weekend. So keep a lookout for some summer Marmaris updates. We all know you like them cheap beer, cheap food videos. Which, if you've noticed from the videos, they're not really cheap anymore. People told us before they used to go to Marmaris and pay 17 cents for a beer. And it wasn't that long ago, but it wasn't 17 cents when we went. I think it was like three euros basically. No, £3 a beer. £2.50 to £3. Very nice. No music as well, so let me come back to this one. What's this one? Costa del Sol. Yeah, we'll go round to the end and then make you a nice beach walk video. Again, the apartment's right here. Sweet home. You can see where the Greek flag is over there. It's like a little island. Yeah, it's really clear. Free hour, free bays, not bad. So it's a nice backdrop here to finish it. So yeah, guys, thank you for locking in. If you haven't already subscribed, hit the like, hit the share button, share to your friends, share to your family.
And everything in between. See you on the next one.